Hello guys, this is GearUpWindows and you are watching how to add Google Calendar to Windows 11 taskbar. For that I will use Chrome browser, Edge browser and Firefox browser. You can use any of the browser to add Google Calendar to your Windows 11 taskbar. So let me proceed first with this one Google Chrome browser. So open this one Chrome browser and visit calendar.google.com. I will also put this link on this video description, and after that you need to log in to your account. Then then click on this one menu button and here select more tools and you will find create shortcut option. Click on this one. Here name it as Google Calendar. Click on this one open as window and click on this one create button, and after that you can close this window, and if you want you can close this one Google Chrome window also, and you will find a shortcut on the desktop. Right click on this one desktop shortcut, select show more options, and here you will find into taskbar option. Click on this one and you can see here on my Windows 11 taskbar Google Calendar has been added. By clicking on it I can directly access Google Calendar on my Windows 11 machine. Next one method is through Edge browser. So open this one Edge browser on your PC, then visit calendar.google.com page and sign up with your Gmail account. After that click on this one menu icon. Here select more tools and then pin to taskbar. This will directly add Google Calendar to your taskbar, and clicking on this one you can directly access Google Calendar. The last one method is through Mozilla Firefox. That is a bit complicated. So let me start with Firefox. How you can add Google Calendar to Windows 11 taskbar. So click on this one Firefox app to open Firefox on your browser. After that log in to your account and then leave it as it is and open Windows Explorer by pressing Windows plus E keys on the keyboard or any other method that you know. After that move to this PC and open Windows Drive on which you have installed Windows 11. Here you need to check program files and program files x86 where you have installed Mozilla Firefox. So let me try with first one program files, and here find Mozilla Firefox. I got it, so double click on this one. If you don't find here you need to navigate to program files x86 folder. Here find firefox.exe file. Right click on this one, click on this one rename button, copy this one, then click on here, put a slash, paste copied text, and after that put .exe. Again press Ctrl A on the keyboard and press Ctrl C to copy this path. Now you can close this one file explorer window, then move to your desktop, right click on desktop, select new and then shortcut option. Here put inverted comma in beginning, paste the copied path, again put inverted comma, then put one space, and here you need to type dash URL. You can copy this path from this video description also, so don't worry, you need to type like this, then https colon slash slash calendar dot google dot com slash calendar slash u slash 0 slash r. After entering this one address, click on next button. Here if you want, you can rename it as calendar or Google Calendar, whatever you want. Then click on this one finish button. It will create a shortcut on your desktop. Now right click on this one shortcut, and here click on this one show more options. Then click on pin to taskbar. This will pin Google Calendar to taskbar, and you can open it by clicking on this one. As you can see on my screen, with a single click, I have accessed Google Calendar on my Windows 11 PC. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel, GearUpWindows, please subscribe. And if you have already subscribed to our channel, GearUpWindows, and if you find this video helpful, kindly like and even share with your friends. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.